Wabeire na Yarabura ikorero ery'emikono omubuko industrial hub na nengudo eza USMID omurembo rwa KASESE eryanyakazoba omwebembezi Museveni yayoreka enjingo nkuru na nemigasho eri omukora kw'ekibine kya National Resistance Movement.
We have got a lot of things to do, but can we please educate our children in the government schools for free? But people don't easily agree. They bring this one, want more districts, want city, okay, those are important, but what comes first? Like yesterday, we were in Toroko there, and there was a young girl from Poto City, it says Kukona, because of not implementing the free education.
Omwebembezi Museveni yahabura abantu okurebeka nguba egarukamu amani n'amaisho bagateka hakutebekanisa ebiro bya nyensya eby'abaana babo.
And really repent. Jesus can forgive you. Omuntu mbikwa yatesa yareke ebibyakozere yakora ebikene ebishemererwe ariyakiza amagara yo kutaho mukufa. I'm in school. Please repent. And what I am doing here is more expensive than what you would do in your areas.
Ori omuhwezi w'omugambirizi w'ishengero ry'ihanga Right Honorable Thomas Tayibwa yashaba okusasirwa habwa abantu abamwe abatakatonjere obushajishi oburukumara omu bicweka byabo.
And I think we must apologize for not having given you other support as leaders. And that's why when His Excellency says, I want leaders who are NRM, this is what is meaning.
Tayibwa yagaruka yayoreka ko abo bana abarugire omu mashomero batakahindire emishomo yabo nabo okubagoborere cyango.
I think for these young people, especially those who had dropped out of school, what we see today is that they've been given a second chance. They've been given a second chance, and most of them are taking advantage of it.
Dr. Chris Baryomonsi, Minister webya Kanyabwenje na nokuhabura ihanga nawe yasima omwebembezi Museveni ahabokutekaho omwanya ogwo.
So that the young people who are not continuing with education for various reasons, including failing to raise fees, are now getting skills like we have heard from the testimonies. Thank you very much, Your Excellency, for putting the young people at the center of your programs.
Julius Kamanzi, manager wa Habwejo, yarugayo okurengeza abantu ababire nibagirangu emyanya ejo neyo kutungisa abantu obukugu abo bonka abarukuhagira government ya NRM ngo aba bakachikwata enchure.
So abamwe batateka ngo habase neza abana ba movement nari ne ya NRM, but habase ne yakira all it doesn't discriminate. We take everyone, anyone. Customer ayereka interest ukena korachi ukenda kuja kushomera. Those are the challenges we have been facing.
Moses Baruku omuhabagoboro mu ntebekanseji yasima mwebembezi Museveni ahabokuteka emyanya nkeje erukwija kubahwera okubasa kwetungira emirimo na nokuhereza abandi.
Okatukumukakana higa twama wipangisiro kwa busente obuko utretwa berebana twama urakwe biriko lishabeke twama tukerekola omumuru wanoyo twabereberekera abande bana basatu okabatu tukasoma nabo hanu nabo twabere baye mibiri omu workshop eyo.
Tayari West yachetegereza ngo abana 280 ababire batirwe ahamwanya ogwe okushoma buri myezi mukaga abarukwingana runana nshanju na mwenda baherize okutunga obukugu. Omwebembezi Museveni yayorekera Racha Nyakasanga hiyagambo n'abantu babutosha.